to make the first helicopter, make 3 folds about 2 centimetres wide down the edge of your piece of paper, lining it up nice and straight. So 1, 2, 3. So each of the folds lines up exactly on top of each other. So we get a little bit that looks like that with 3 lines. We're then going to cut along these lines in order to get 3 identical strips of paper. Now we want to do this really carefully so we get nice straight edges and we have all our fingers left at the end of it. So first of all, we're going to cut off the first strip. And it helps if we flatten this back out so that our creases are just there to guide us and to allow us to cut down those creases. 1, 2. So we've got 3 nice straight pieces of paper. They're all exactly the same size, so we're going to put them all on top of each other so they line up absolutely exactly. So 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to fold them in half and push down really tightly. So we now have 3 folded bits of paper. 1, 2, 3. And these are going to make our first helicopter. We take our first bit of paper and put it over our second bit of paper, like that. So it looks a bit like a T shape. 1 in there, 1 in there. We get our second bit of paper, third bit of paper rather, and put it over that T shape with the fold the other end, and we put the ends of it through this one. Oh, that's all gone horribly wrong. Put the end of it. So we've got 1 sheet of paper, 2 sheets of paper. Put the end across there, and we put those through there. So the 3 of them are kind of interlocked together. Can you see how that goes? Locking them over together. There we go. And then we work them down to the end. So they're as close as they can be. Nice and gently. Nice and gently. And what we're going to find is that it folds up into like a bucket at the end. So can you see that? Folds up and we get like a square bucket. If you've ever done kind of weaving, it's kind of like that. So we've got a square bucket, and that is our first helicopter.